When it comes to maintaining clean and fresh upholstery, choosing the best upholstery cleaner can make all the difference. Whether you're dealing with stubborn stains, pet odors, or just everyday dirt, the right cleaner ensures your furniture stays in top condition. In this video, we'll take a closer look at some of the best options available to tackle all kinds of upholstery cleaning challenges. Let's dive in. HOOVER Upholstery Spot Cleaner. The HOOVER Clean Slate Upholstery Spot Cleaner offers powerful performance for tough messes at home. Whether you're tackling wine stains, pet messes, or mud, this machine has you covered with its 96 fluid ounce tank that allows for extended cleaning without constant refills. The Clean Slate XL includes specialized tools, including a 7-inch wide path tool for large areas, a tight spot tool for those hard-to-reach crevices, and a pet tool to handle those stubborn pet stains. These features make it an excellent choice for both everyday stains and heavy-duty cleaning tasks. The self-cleaning function ensures your machine is always ready for the next job, while the rinse tool flushes out dirt, keeping your machine in top shape. It's designed to work seamlessly with HOOVER's cleaning solutions for optimal results, from removing everyday messes to tackling pet odors. Despite its compact size, the HOOVER Clean Slate XL packs a punch with strong suction power, leaving your carpets and upholstery refreshed. It's a reliable, easy-to-use spot cleaner that tackles all kinds of messes. With its durable design, large tank capacity, and specialized tools, this cleaner offers excellent value and impressive results for deep cleaning tasks around the house. BISSELL Upholstery Cleaner. The BISSELL Little Green Upholstery Cleaner is a standout for anyone needing an efficient, compact solution for spot cleaning. With its powerful suction, this portable cleaner tackles everything from pet messes to everyday spills with ease. The 3-inch tough stain brush and specialized tools like the HydroRinse self-cleaning tool ensure thorough cleaning in hard-to-reach areas. Lightweight and easy to maneuver, it's perfect for quick cleanups around the house or in your car. The 48-ounce tank offers a good balance between size and capacity, allowing for continuous cleaning without frequent refills. Pet owners will appreciate the dedicated pet stain tools that make tackling messes a breeze. While the BISSELL Little Green is perfect for small areas and spot cleaning, it's not intended for larger jobs. You'll also need to use BISSELL's cleaning solutions for optimal results, which may be a slight limitation for some. Overall, the BISSELL Little Green is a powerful and versatile cleaner, ideal for those in need of a portable solution for carpets, upholstery, and car detailing. It combines ease of use, strong performance, and specialized features, making it a reliable addition to any cleaning arsenal. Dirt Devil Portable Spot Cleaner. For those looking for an efficient portable spot cleaner, the Dirt Devil Portable Spot Cleaner is a standout option. This compact powerhouse is designed to tackle stubborn messes, from spilled drinks to pet stains. With impressive suction power, it comes with a 2-in-1 pet tool to remove tough stains and odors, while the 4-inch stain tool effortlessly handles deeper dirt. The kink-free hose allows you to reach tight spaces with ease, making it versatile for cleaning carpets, stairs, and upholstery. Despite its small size, the Dirt Devil does not compromise on performance. It features a 19-ounce tank, allowing for multiple cleanups without needing a refill. When you're done cleaning, the built-in hose rinse and removable lid make maintenance a breeze, keeping the machine ready for your next task. Weighing just 9.65 pounds, this spot cleaner is portable and easy to store, perfect for quick touch-ups around the house or car. Its user-friendly design and powerful cleaning capabilities make it an excellent choice for anyone in need of a reliable and compact solution for spot cleaning. If you're looking to refresh your home without the hassle, the Dirt Devil Portable Spot Cleaner delivers results with ease. BISSELL PRETREAT Formula. If you're looking for an effective and eco-friendly solution to tackle tough stains around the house, the BISSELL Tough Oxy Stain Pre-Treat formula should be at the top of your list. This powerful liquid cleaner is designed to tackle set-in stains like coffee, jelly, makeup, and more, all while being safe on carpets, area rugs, and upholstery. Whether you're dealing with an accidental spill or a lingering stain, this product is built to break down the toughest messes quickly and efficiently. The biodegradable formula is a huge plus, offering an earth-conscious way to clean without sacrificing effectiveness. Plus, the scent of cool pine needles, vanilla bean, and eucalyptus adds a fresh touch to your home while cleaning. Compact and easy to use, the 22 fluid ounce bottle is the perfect size for quick, on-the-go stain removal. Whether you're working on a large stain or spot cleaning, this product makes the process smooth and hassle-free. BISSELL's commitment to helping save homeless pets with each purchase is a nice bonus, giving you peace of mind while you tackle your cleaning task. Overall, the BISSELL Tough Oxy Stain Pre-Treat formula is a great choice for anyone looking for a reliable multi-surface cleaner that's tough on stains but gentle on the planet. Furniture Clinic Leather Care Kit. If you're looking to give your leather furniture, car seats, or jackets the care they deserve, the Furniture Clinic Leather Care Kit is an excellent choice for 2025. This comprehensive kit offers a complete solution for cleaning and conditioning leather items, combining two 17-ounce bottles, one for leather cleaner and the other for conditioning protection cream, along with a sponge and cloth for easy application. The leather cleaner works wonders in removing dirt, stains, and grime without harsh chemicals, making it safe for all your leather surfaces. Its penetrating formula ensures even the toughest marks are tackled. After cleaning, the conditioning protection cream nourishes and protects the leather, reinstating its luxurious feel and aroma. It also creates a protective barrier against oils, water, and other liquids, ensuring your leather items remain in top condition. Simple to use, this kit is a breeze for both beginners and experienced leather care enthusiasts. The inclusion of a sponge and cloth adds to the convenience, while the Good Housekeeping seal assures top-notch quality. Whether you're refreshing your leather couch, car seats, or boots, this kit provides a reliable and effective solution. For anyone serious about leather care, the Furniture Clinic Leather Care Kit is a must-have.